So what you want to do now is you want to create a scatter graph. And so what you have to do is you scroll along there, along the rows, then you insert and you go to scatter graph. So insert scatter graph, and there you are. There you are. Just widen it up a bit. All right, so at the bottom here, this label here is going to be the how heavy are they? There's 0 kilograms all the way up to 5 kilograms. Along this one is the length. Oops. I'll do that again. So that's the. Did I spell that right? L-N-T-H. That's the length of the fish up here. So that one there, for example, is 6.6 kilograms heavy and 20 centimeters long. This guy, this big mama up here, is 4.4 kilograms, but it's also 62 centimeters long. So that's what they want you to do. So you do the same again, and then you cut that with your snipping tool. You copy that, and then you put it in there. Now that'll help you work out the relationship between the length and the mass. So that's really important, because you want to see if there's a connection. The longer it is, the heavier it is. Is that the case always? And maybe it isn't. So